Namaste friends, how are you all? Here I am back, and today I am working on how you can learn the Hindi script. So in this video I am going to guide you that the step by step how you can write in a Hindi script. So first I am starting with the vowel, Hindi vowels. So please have a look and try to follow me the way I am writing, and I am showing you the step. It's a bit difficult to write like the Chinese, they have a kanji character. That's very much similar, not similar, but it has to be like more like calligraphy. You have to follow the steps to draw in Hindi script. So here I will show you how to write. So Hindi script and the vowel. The first vowel is A. In 3 steps I am writing 1, 2, 2. Then this is 3, and this is the final letter, and this is A. How do you pronounce? A. So this is the first step, second step, 3 step, and this is the final one, and the final letter is A. How do you pronounce? A. Okay, so the next one is A. A. You have to open your mouth widely. That I will show you the letter on how to pronounce. So the second letter is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and this is A. A vertical line after the A that become A. So this is A and this is A. A, A. The next one is E. So see how do you write? We draw a line, then this, and head stroke. This line is called head stroke. The line that I draw on the above the letter is called head stroke. So this is E. There are 2 E's in Hindi. So this one is a small E. Small E. So this is A, E. The next one is long E. So here I begin and draw a line. Very much similar is the same. A small E, and then a hook like this on head stroke, and this is long E. How do you pronounce? E. So A, E, E. This is long E. A, E, and E. Then we have 1, 2, 3. This is U. How do you pronounce this one? U. So we are writing in it 3 steps. 1, 2, and 3. This is U, a small U. So we have long U and a small U. So this one is small U. Then we have 1, 2, a loop or tail you can say, and this one is long U. Long U. So again I am repeating back: A, E, E, U, U. The next one is Re. This is the most complicated vowel. in Hindi. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then from here like this. This one. This is re. One step, two step, three step, four step, five step. In five step, you are completing the re. This is one of the most complicated vowel in Hindi. So let's again practice from a to re. So a, e, u, re. A, e, u, re. Then we have this one. A. This is A. Then we have another letter which is I. A line above the head stroke is I. So a, e, u, re, a, I. Then we have O. One stick up, one stick down is O. Then we have O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 stick on head stroke is O. This is O. So a, e, u, re, a, I, o. And the last one, not the last one, the second last. However, this comes in a nasal vowel also, nasal sound. But let us learn it here itself. This is a nasal sound. You will have a detailed class on this nasal sound, and then the last one. Very much similar to the A, same letter, then semicolon dot is ah. This is ah. So let's hear a, e, u, re, a, I, o, ah. So the final letter I am writing in a script, not in steps. How do you write? Please have a look. This is A. This is A. This is E. Then we have long E. Long U. Re. Then we have A, I, O, O, and A, E, U, long U, Re, A, I, O, Ah. So this was the vowel that we learned together, and once more time you can follow me, practice me, repeat after me. A, E, U, Re, A, I, O, Ah. So these were the complete vowel. So we have finished the vowel. In the next class, we'll be learning the vowel symbol and the consonants and all. I hope you are fine, enjoying my lessons, and most important things, please like and subscribe it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.